Hey, what's up, beauties? Welcome back for another video. Today I'm doing something different. I don't think I've ever done this on my channel. I am doing a full get ready with me, including my hair, my makeup, and my OOTD, okay? So this video is sponsored by Beauty Forever. They sent me this beautiful luscious hair that I have installed on my head right now. I did make this into a unit. I am in love with this hair. This is hands down the best frontal I have ever had in my life. Like, y'all ain't never seen my frontal slayed like this. Like, girl, this frontal is laid. I did do a little bit of plucking to my frontal, but I really didn't have to do a lot at all. The frontal came so pretty, y'all. This hair is so pretty. I can run my hands through these curls. It's ridiculous. Like, y'all, y'all already know I'm a Beauty Forever fan, and I am so glad to be working with them again to bring you guys this video and to show off this beautiful hair, okay? Y'all already know all the hair details will be down below in that description box. All of Beauty Forever's information will also be down below, so if you're interested in shopping with them, make sure you go check them out. So go ahead and shop Beauty Forever to get these quality curls, quality and affordable, y'all. I just can't say it enough how much I love their hair. They never disappoint me, like, ever. Like I told y'all, the only thing I had to do was pluck it just a little bit, and then I also bleached my knots, and I also put like foundation on the inside. And y'all, this is just, if you're interested in seeing my full get ready with me, go ahead and just stay tuned.